There are 8 planets in the solar system. First one is Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. There are 8 planets in the solar system. Our Earth is the 3rd planet from the Sun. The Earth is the home for all forms of life like plants, animals and human beings because of its suitable distance from the Sun. Suitable distance from the Sun, that means neither very close to the Sun nor far away from the Sun. It has suitable distance from the Sun. Range of temperature, that means moderate temperature, neither very hot nor very cold. It has moderate temperature. Then favorable atmosphere. Our Earth has favorable atmosphere, life supporting gases and water cycle. Water cycle, that means presence of water in 3 forms of state: solid, liquid and gaseous. Next one, different names of the Earth. The Earth is called by many names. Some of them are living planet, unique planet, watery planet, blue planet. Living planet is the only planet which supports life like plants, animals and human beings. Unique planet. Unique means a special. It is a special one. Or it is different from other planets. Why it is called unique? It is different from other planets which supports life. The Earth which supports life. So it is called as unique planet. Watery planet. It is abundance of water. Abundance of water in this planet. So it is called watery planet. Blue planet. 70% of the Earth's surface is comprised by water, which producing a vivid color when viewing from the space. It looks blue in color, so it is called as blue planet. Next one, size of the Earth. The geographical area of the Earth is 510 million square kilometers. The area covered by water, is 361 million square kilometers, and the area covered by land is 149 million square kilometers. Next, the shape of the Earth. The Earth's shape is described as geoid. Geoid, which literally means Earth's shape, or oblate spheroid. Oblate spheroid. That means oblate spheroid. Earth is flattened. Earth is flattened. Earth is flattened at the poles and bulges at the equator. Earth is flattened at the poles and The polar diameter of the earth is 12,714 kilometers and the equatorial diameter is 12,756 kilometers. And the equatorial circumference. Circumference means the outer boundary of the circle. The outer boundary of the circle in the maths we will tell it. Here the outer boundary of the earth. The equatorial circumference is 40,074 kilometers. Approximately 40,074 kilometers. And the polar circumference is 40,008 kilometers. 40,008 kilometers. Next, distribution of land mass and water bodies. Here, land and water bodies are unevenly distributed. Land and water bodies are unevenly distributed by northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. First of all, we discuss about northern hemisphere. Northern hemisphere has 60% of land and 40% of water. So the northern hemisphere is also known as land hemisphere. There is 90% of world's population. Next, southern hemisphere. Southern hemisphere has 81% of water and 19% of land. So the southern hemisphere is also known as water hemisphere. Only 10% of world's population is there. And the ratio between land and water is 1:2.43. The ratio between land and water is 1:2.43. The land bodies or the large land mass on the earth is known as continents. There are 7 continents. They are Asia, Europe, Africa, Australia, North America, South America and Antarctica. These are the 7 continents. Asia, Europe, Africa, Australia, North America, South America and Antarctica. Asia is the largest continent in the world, where our country India lies in the continent of Asia. Australia is the smallest continent. In the world. Next, the water bodies on the earth is called as oceans. The water bodies on the earth is called as oceans. There are 4 major oceans. They are Pacific Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Indian Ocean, then Arctic Ocean. There are 4 major oceans: Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean and Arctic Ocean. Pacific Ocean is the largest and deepest ocean. Pacific Ocean is the largest and deepest ocean. And Arctic Ocean is the smallest and shallowest ocean. Shallowest means low depth. Shallowest ocean is Arctic Ocean. The only ocean named after our country is Indian Ocean. These oceans are interconnected. These are interconnected. But the continents are not interconnected. Oceans are interconnected. Okay. By this we conclude the lesson. For your assignment, list all the planets. List all the planets in the solar system and write all the continents, 7 continents and 4 major oceans. Okay. Thank you.